Hi everyone. I want to tell you a story, a simple story. When I was teacher in our classroom, our my students were discussing between each other, and each one of them was thinking that they are right. So one day I did this experiment and brought this four different glass with different color in the class and put a white paper for the student and said, okay, what is the color of the white paper? Everyone with the type of glass that they were wearing, they were insisting on that the color is orange or red or blue or green, while everyone was right. For becoming agree, so always empathy is good, to see the world from someone else's point of view. If you are orange with an orange glass, or you are a Buddhist, or if you are with a green glass, or you are a Muslim, or blue glass, you are a spiritualist, or red glass, you are a Christian, or from Africa, or from in India, China, any corner of the world, we come with our own information, our own culture, our own way of life, our own books, our own experiences. So they should be always different. Only we will be agree if we remove these classes, but not remove it like to say it is wrong and right. Remove it to find what is the true, and also remove it and use someone else's glasses. It is like when we go and learn another language, or we travel and go to another country, and we practice like the people that they live there, then it helps us to understand why they are doing what they do. And always when the time passed, I remember a very good story of the Buddhist that in India, people were coming from the south of the country toward the Ganga River, and they were keeping to play very loud drum, and it was causing for tourism problem, and people were not coming to this area because it is very noisy. And when they did research why the people are doing this, actually it was from the time that there was jungle full of animals, wild animals. This is why the monk in this time, like 1000 years ago or 700 years ago, they were coming from this way and they were playing this loud drums to make the animal to don't come close and afraid and run away, for a safe passage to the Ganga River for prayer. But today people are doing the same thing, bothering everyone in the name of religion, and they think this is holy and we should do that. This is why it is very important to go to the root, to go to the source and see why each way of life, if they put something on there, those first generation of the people, what they meant, what was the story behind it, and why I am doing it now. So just I give you this example to see how we can argue and how it is funny. Like if you see now someone is insisting on something that I am right and you are wrong, actually this is our brain. This is our brain. Each of these glasses, the type of brain that we have, and we discuss and we always think I am right, you are wrong, I am civilized, you are barbarian, I am good, you are not good, or I am educated, you are not educated, I am rational, you are emotional. And when we fall into trap of this kind of conversation, we never will reach anywhere. So the answer is empathy, understanding feeling and thoughts of each other, compassion, rationality, kindness, love, forgiveness. These are the qualities that we should be after, and the honesty is the best policy. I hope you enjoyed this clip, and I wish you always happy, lucky. And why I have all these stuff from each kind, because I love these people. I have Christian friend, African, Jewish, Muslim, conservative, labor, green party, like all this political religious party, like from all of them, with all of them I have relationship, and they are the gifts that they are giving me as a friend. So I love you all, I respect you all, and I understand you all, and I hope you do the same with each other, and we start to have a constructive way of living, constructive criticizing, and not a destructive way of life with anger, aggression, and violence against each other. Love you all the best. Peace for all this planet. I love this blue light on the sky. We should save it, and we should save each other. All the best.